Welcome to our YouTube channel Careative. Nutritional value of fruit salad. Health benefits of fruit salad. Fruit salad is a delicious and healthy dish that is perfect for any time of the day. It is a great way to enjoy a variety of fruits at once, and it is also an excellent way to add essential nutrients to your diet. In this article, we will explore the nutritional value of fruit salad and the benefits it offers for your overall health. Nutritional value of fruit salad. Fruit salad is a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. Here are some of the key nutrients found in fruit salad. Vitamins. Fruits are rich in vitamins, especially vitamins C, A, and K. Vitamin C helps boost the immune system, promotes healthy skin, and fights inflammation. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight, skin, and bones. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and maintaining healthy bones. Minerals. Fruit salad is also an excellent source of minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Potassium is essential for regulating blood pressure, promoting heart health, and maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. Magnesium is important for maintaining healthy bones, muscles, and nerves. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Antioxidants. Fruits are rich in antioxidants that help protect the body against harmful free radicals. Antioxidants like beta-carotene, lycopene, and anthocyanins have been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Benefits of fruit salad. Including fruit salad in your diet can offer numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of fruit salad. Promotes weight loss. Fruit salad is low in calories and high in fiber, which makes it an excellent choice for weight loss. It can help you feel full and satisfied, which can reduce your overall calorie intake. Boosts immunity. Fruit salad is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can boost your immune system and protect your body against infections and diseases. Promotes heart health. Fruit salad is rich in potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Improves digestion. Fruits are rich in fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Conclusion. In conclusion, fruit salad is a delicious and nutritious dish that can offer numerous health benefits. It is a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are important for maintaining good health. Including fruit salad in your diet can help promote weight loss, boost immunity, promote heart health, and improve digestion. So the next time you are looking for a healthy snack or meal, consider making a fruit salad and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer. More. Let's dive deeper into some of the nutrients found in fruit salad and their specific health benefits. Vitamin C. As mentioned earlier, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the body against harmful free radicals. It also plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin, bones, and joints. Additionally, vitamin C has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that is important for regulating blood pressure and maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. It also plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function. Low potassium levels have been linked to an increased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Fiber. Fruits are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels and can help lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that is found in red and pink fruits like tomatoes, watermelon, and grapefruit. It has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer, including prostate cancer. Anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are a type of antioxidant that is found in blue and purple fruits like blueberries, blackberries, and grapes. They have been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating fruit salad into your diet. One of the great things about fruit salad is that it is incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit your tastes and preferences. Here are some tips for incorporating fruit salad into your diet. Use a variety of fruits. Try to include a variety of fruits in your fruit salad to maximize the nutritional benefits. Some great options include berries, melons, citrus fruits, and tropical fruits like mango and pineapple. Add some protein. To make your fruit salad a more balanced meal, try adding some protein like nuts, seeds, or yogurt. Get creative with dressings. Fruit salad doesn't have to be boring. Experiment with different dressings like honey and lime, balsamic vinegar, or a simple yogurt dressing. Make it a meal. If you're looking for a more substantial meal, try adding some whole grains like quinoa or farro to your fruit salad. Conclusion. In conclusion, fruit salad is an incredibly nutritious and delicious dish that can offer numerous health benefits. It is a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and can help promote weight loss, boost immunity, promote heart health, and improve digestion. So why not try making a fruit salad today and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer? While fruit salad is a great way to enjoy the health benefits of fruits, it's important to keep a few things in mind to ensure you are getting the most out of it. Choose ripe fruits. To maximize the nutritional value and taste of your fruit salad, choose ripe fruits that are in season. Ripe fruits are often sweeter and more flavorful than unripe fruits. Limit added sugars. While fruit is naturally sweet, it's important to limit added sugars like honey or syrup in your fruit salad. Instead, try sweetening it naturally with a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice. Practice food safety. When preparing fruit salad, make sure to wash all fruits thoroughly and remove any spoiled or damaged parts. It's also important to keep the salad refrigerated and consume it within a few days to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Don't forget to hydrate. While fruits are a great source of water, it's still important to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day to stay hydrated. In summary, fruit salad is a nutritious and delicious way to incorporate a variety of fruits into your diet. It's packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and can offer numerous health benefits. So next time you're looking for a healthy and refreshing snack, consider making a delicious fruit